associate lace with flowers.
It's a geometric for a change.
Yeah.
And I love the dot of gold on there because it's almost like snowdrops.
It's
Talking
true.
festive. There we are in December.
Yeah. Where it doesn't snow.
But this is a great sort of chain mail, which works well with that, and it's very neutral. It's just lovely, lovely texture, and the weight of it's so nice.
I know.
And that was in the jacket.
Yes. Just to create like a more casual, appropriate for this year's Christmas or Christmas party, where you're not really going anywhere much. So you have a relaxed, soft falling jumper or a cardigan.
It's more of an indoor thing
Yes.
than a jacket to go out in.
And a very nice skirt, and the way it falls, it's just beautiful. But we did consider other options, and this is corded Chantilly, right?
That's a white cord on a red Chantilly. So it's hand and white cord onto the red Chantilly, which is loomed, of course. And that one, again, all of these Chantillys, of course, are French. And there's also, this is a cord in red on red. And that's a fabulous corded lace, which it just gives it that little bit more body. That has to be placed on carefully afterwards by hand to actually throw and frame the flowers in the Chantilly, which are hand loomed.
And they're quite nicely spread out, so you can easily do a skirt or a top or a whole dress,
can.
actually. With gold, it looks very beautiful, actually.
Again, you've got the scallop, which in this case has been cut back and fringed from the loom edge.
Yeah, this is very finished. And then the third
Red
option.
on white,
Red
as opposed
on
to white on red. But you could even combine these two together. I think they're the same lace.
I
It's
looked
just-
at it. I didn't
think
think
they
they
are.
go.
No,
Wrong way around.
it's probably too much going
No,
on.
this is the correct way
And also
around.
the scallop's bigger on this one, I'm seeing. So it is a different lace. It looks at
I think
first
the reds
sight.
are slightly so different because at first I was looking, could they go together?
But this is a deeper colour.
Yes.
But that's a brighter
It's
red.
gorgeous, actually, deep red. So this was inspired by Valentino.
Red is a color that is not shy. I want to keep this color in my life. After black and white, there is no color more beautiful or flattering to women than red, said Valentino. Only few fabrics are capable of sustaining such a polarized interpretation as lace. Its power often transposed from the pristine and pure to the decadent and sensual by the simple addition of color.
Did you have this below the lace at the time? Was this
Did
one
I?
used? It's a sort of metal. This one is a lame, and it's a silk mikado with metal. There you are. It's beautiful the way it moves because of the metal weave in there.
No, I had red underneath.
Ah, just like so. And actually, again, it's an option. So we open more out and compare the two. and both work really well. You could have had this as a top or even made a contrast jacket.
Yeah.
So you've got a lace suit, a dress and a jacket.
I was looking for gold polka dots, but I couldn't see any, so I
But
saw
that works
this.
so well because it's still got the sheen and the structure. Structure is amazing
Yeah,
for
this
jacket.
was beautiful.
By 1870, virtually every type of handmade lace had its machine-made equivalent. Although machine-made lace became more readily available, it remained a precious commodity. With the introduction of synthetic yarns in the 1950s, lace became mainstream. The exceptions were the specialist laces such as Guipure, a heavy lace in which the patterns are connected by fine threads with overlapping motifs, forming a many-layered texture, a favorite of couturiers such as Christian Dior and Balmain, who usually confined its use to evening wear.
Look at this one last time. Something very similar.
We had embroidered
Maybe we
tulle
took it
before,
out. Yeah,
but
yeah.
this is an actual
This is an Austrian Guipure lace. I love the fact you put it all that white.
It just picks up the
It's
flowers,
brilliant.
doesn't it?
Because
And
they really
shows
shine. Well, it's fabulous. It's dressy for a special occasion. So as you say, it's got no crystal on, and it's still a fabulous piece. High-end Austrian Guipure, which is usually Swiss, but in this case we've got an Austrian one, embroidered, sort of padded lace, which can be individually cut out into a whole unit, or little flowers which can be spaced and scattered.
Put probably on the sleeve. If
Just
the
a small
person
amount, and
prefers.
it's less. Less is more.
But once the darts are in, the skirt kind of has this beautiful fullness, and there's almost the fabric supports itself. There's
It does,
hardly anything
structure.
underneath.
And a very fitted, sort of structured Duchess satin.
Then if we look at the
Below.
Guipure, there was another option that could go for all year round party, I believe. Because this you can easily wear for Christmas or winter season. And you can
Because the
wear it in
orange
the
is almost
summer.
a red. Just as you look at it, the orange becomes red and white. But no, it's with a twist because it is quite a sort of
It's
orange.
little
Isn't it?
bring the white flowery one.
The white flowery lace. Oh, the
No,
one with the
different
colour.
Yeah.
Again, it's a Guipure, but this time it's a bargain. Fabulous flowers, colours. The border is different, so take that
The
into
border
account.
is different, but I actually
But it
don't
does
like
work
lines
that
going
way.
this way.
And then the top is very simple, so the direction is this way. Because it gives you a scallop at the base. I'll take it.
And there's another easy way to wear lace. White and flowers. It could be winter, it could be summer.
Brilliant. It's very, I think it's more summer than the first one, which is a good winter indoor lace. And it more or less, that's it, isn't it? Even the 3/4 sleeve is great on that.
Yeah, and they
And
get
so
rid
the
of this
width, you
one.
should get that and tidy the top edge. You can cut this
Yes,
away
I
to
was thinking
create
to
its own
keep-
neckline.
keep the flower here and then it sort of
That's
cascades
fabulous.
down.
That's very, very nice. It's simple, but a crystal dress.
the crystal.
What's your saying from Alexander McQueen?
Yes, the honeycomb.
2021.
It very much sums it up.
To the
A
spring.
natural distinction and natural selection.
Unnatural selection. Wow.